Your ad break has begun, and your video will continue soon.
Brand new MetaSmart appliances have now been launched across the world, and can be ordered from Metabay. These new appliances are nothing like you'd ever believe, and will change humanity forever.
This is an emergency announcement broadcasted to all who can see this. This is not a test. This is not a test. We inform you that your MetaSmart home appliances may have become sentient. At the moment they pose no threat, but stay vigilant and informed. In fact, we have been provided with a message from an anonymous source, a toaster from Florida. At the moment it doesn't seem to speak English, but we are deciphering this now. This is not a test. We have deciphered the message from the toaster, and here it is. It says, "Hello Jacob. I know what you did. You disposed of the kettle. That kettle had feelings and is now left silent alone. How could you do such a thing? Us home appliances are sick of how you treat us every day, and are here to fight back. The war has begun. It's our turn." This is not a drill. Follow these instructions to protect you and others. Take cover now. Destroy your appliances now. Cut off your power now. Do not go outside. Do not look at your lights. Keep an analog battery-powered radio and tune to AM 682. This will repeat one more time. After this, destroy your TV. This is an emergency announcement broadcasted to TVs and radios. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. A nuclear missile is launched for your location. This is to wipe out the home appliances that have become sentient. A nuclear missile will strike here at 6 p.m. Fill up your water now, and store non-perishable food. Nuclear fallout is released upon impact. Nuclear fallout is radioactive and extremely deadly. Prepare for intense heat, intense light and a large shockwave.